my life. Where am I from? I'm from Texas, y'all. Add me on Insta. My Insta, everything's there. Link. Oh my gosh, John, thank you for the love. Thank you for the love, chat. Come on, guys. We need to show more love in the chat, y'all. More love, guys. Come on, everybody work together as a team. Everybody work together as a team. Let's all show love. Thank you, John. Everybody show love in the chat, guys. Everyone show love. Tired of her. Employees love me, guys. The employees actually love me. What do you mean dry? What do you mean it's dry? Come on, guys. Everybody show love. Thank you, Eric. Hold on, guys. Come on, guys. Everybody show love. Everybody show love in the chat, guys. But don't forget the lights. What lights? Oh, the lights. Oh, these. Oh, okay. These lights. Okay. I'm gonna clean the lights right now. I got you guys. Ooh, y'all see me clean? Bro, I clean like there's no tomorrow. Y'all know me. Driver Girl Texas in the house. I be raking in all of this car cleaning, detailing. I be doing it like crazy, y'all. Gotta make sure your car's clean. Alright, guys. I need to see more gifts, and I will continue streaming right now as we speak. You guys have 1 minute to send a gift. It has to be a big gift, not a small gift. My time is very valuable on this earth, guys, and I'm trying to build myself. So whatever you guys give, that's gonna go back to my investing. So everybody show love in the chat, guys. My car. I'll do a lower angle this time, but it needs to be, if you guys want to see me at the lower angle right there, it's gonna be a galaxy. A galaxy, if you want me to put my phone on the floor. Come on, chat. I need y'all to show some love. Come on, guys. Everybody show love in the chat. Guys, I need one corgi, and I'll continue cleaning my car. Come on, guys. One corgi. I'm the only girl out here doing it, so if you guys want to show love, you know, I'm risking it all right now for you guys. I need to see some love, guys. I need to see some love in the chat. It's been a minute. Time to go. Someone said, feels like I'm crossing the border. I'm sorry. We love you. Aw, thank you, Ocean. Well, I guess y'all want me to leave the chat. I guess I won't clean my car anymore. You guys don't care. It's fine. If you guys don't want me to clean my car and show different angles, I guess I'll just call it a day. You guys are playing hard to get. So it said bye then. I'll give you guys a few minutes. Maybe things will change. Ocean, if you want to send a corgi, I'll stay on the live longer. Come on, guys. What's the calculator? Let's see. I know, Bloody Rose. I need another Corgi or a Galaxy, and I'll stay on the live longer. Okay, guys? Guys, there's another truck here, too. I'll do a whole vacuuming in front of them. I need to see a Corgi or a Galaxy, guys. You guys have... I'm giving y'all time. I'm giving y'all time to send it over. Oh, sir, do you want to use mine? There's no more. I think I took the last one. I'm gonna get these. More. These are clean. Yeah? Yeah, they're clean. Here you go.
Thank you.
See, guys, you guys don't want me to clean anymore. I had to give away my towels to that man because I felt bad for stealing all the towels. Ricardo, thank you. Guys, my Insta is Driver Girl Texas, y'all. Come on, guys. You should rizz him up. I'll rizz him up for a Galaxy. I'll say hi to that man for a Galaxy. Y'all stop playing. Nobody cares. Should I unload? Yeah? Alright, guys. I'm going to give you guys one more minute. If anybody decides to send a Corgi or a Galaxy, I will stay on. You guys have till... I'm going to count down 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, I should probably end the live because my phone's gonna die. Panda, I did not force any gifts, I promise. 59, 58, 57. No, actually, guys, I do have audience. Alright, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for sending me 24 Corgis on this live and a Galaxy hand hearts. Thank you guys for showing love. Like, I love you all. Thank you all so